Alright, HVAC people, so we got a no heat call here. No heat call. See what we can get. Alright, there you go right there. Right. No heat or no cooling, not sure. Alright folks, so we got a no heat call. AC works, but the heater doesn't. Let's try the AC first. See if it kick on. Yeah. I did hear the AC kicked on. Alright folks, so I think our problem gonna be no fan. I hear the condenser, but no furnace. So I'm gonna go here and shut it off. See if you can hear that. So we got a furnace, AC with no fan, so let's see what's going on with the fan. That's what calling it, not the heat. Go to the thermostat. Go to the thermostat, put it in heat mode. Heat. Alright folks, so we got an ECM motor. Alright, so right now folks, I don't have anything on my LED. Not getting 24 volts. Fuse look good. Got 28 volts. Alright, so ready to come, man. Got 24 volts going to my board. Calling for heat. But it's not calling for fan for something. It's calling for heat. So I'm gonna go run and put the blower motor in the on position. See what happens. It's calling for heat, but not calling for, man. I think she'll be ready. Alright, I think we got a bad control board. I'm now not getting the LED on that control board. Yeah, I'm gonna write this up bad board, I think. Check this fuse again. So we got power to the board, and you see I got a steady off. And we got a steady off right here, which is a control failure. So I'm gonna write up the control board so we can get that replaced. All right, so we got the new control board. As you can see. All right, so I'm gonna kill power. We'll go ahead and swap this one out. See, red lit up. All right, so it should be good. Looks like the same board. All right, let's see when we turn this on, we at least get a LED this time. Oh y'all, we got LED now. All right, so I'm gonna go give a call for heat. Induce a fan motor on my igniter. Alright, HVAC people, as always, thanks for watching.